Benasque, Spain, December 8, 2024. The Arctic air mass announced by the State Meteorological Agency Aemet for this weekend in the north of the peninsula entered the Pyrenees of Huesca this Saturday afternoon and is leaving copious snowfalls. It is currently snowing in Benasque and Cerler. In any house in the valleys of Aragonese Pyrenees has revealed the same image that the first big snowfall of the season. What has covered the mountains, in many cases, has left centimeters of snow accumulated on the streets of towns such as Benasque, Broto, Gistaín, Aisa, Canfranc, or Villanúa. And after a long weekend without activity on the ski slopes, the long-awaited arrival of the white blanket may cause the lifts to start operating sooner rather than later. In the Pyrenean stations of the Aemet group, that is both in Cerler and Formigal Pentecosa, about 40 centimeters of snow have fallen. It is expected that during the day this Sunday and Monday it will continue to snow. We are very aware of the weather as we continue working intensely to give an opening date as soon as conditions allow us, Governor said. In Aston, Director explains that they will be able to evaluate the situation when the storm subsides. On Monday afternoon, we hope to be able to step on the snow and be able to assess everything. It has snowed a lot, but it has also been very windy, which makes things difficult because the night is moving and we have to work to move it.
Muy buenos y blancos días. Así amanecemos hoy en Benasque. San Paquetón ha llegado. No ha parado de nevar en...
They explain the same thing from Canfranc. The forecasts have been fulfilled. This Sunday it is snowing and yesterday, Saturday, it snowed even more. But the problem is the wind. There are very strong gusts that move the snow. On Tuesday, we will be able to assess the situations. Our intention is to open when we can. We are optimistic, explains the station director. Throughout the week, the Aemet had warned of snowfall in the Pyrenees for this weekend. In fact, the red alert for snow remains activated for the entire day today, and there are problems on several roads in the province of Huesca, some closed and others where the use of chains is necessary. The heavy snowfall in the middle of the Constitution Bridge has caught many enjoying a few days of rest in the Pyrenees, leaving families playing in the snow this Sunday morning. Of course, the weather is still adverse because in places like Benasque, there is a lot of blizzard and it is difficult to go outside. The snow that has fallen in the last few hours is complicating traffic on the roads of the province. With the closures of the Portal Pass due to the risk of avalanches, the closures of 2 stretches of road, and on another 25 it is necessary to use chains or winter tires, and the transit of buses, trucks, and articulated vehicles is prohibited. In addition, the A139 will be closed from this Sunday afternoon in Benasque due to the risk of avalanches. In places such as the Cap de Last Refuge, in the Huesca region of Ribagorza, snowfalls with strong gusts of wind have been recorded throughout the day.
Esquímetro, para poder medir el espesor de nieve. Luego os cuento más.